Okay, so now it's time for the taste test. Here are the lovely bars. We have got chocolate, berry, and apricot. So Little Button wants to try the berry. Okay, so this is the red berry one. It looks very nice. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Have a go and see. Have a taste. What does it taste like?
Berry.
It tastes like berries. That's it, take a big bite. Mmm. Yummy. Here, I'm going to try some as well. Okay, so it's my turn to taste some. Oh, it's really soft. There's loads of sort of berries and things in there, so let's taste it. Mmm. And she's still eating it. Lovely.
Yes.
Wow, the berry one went down really well. With you and with me, I loved it. It wasn't too sweet, which was really good. But it tasted lovely and fruity, didn't it? Yeah. I can't believe we have finished this. Yes, because it was lovely. Do we have any room in our tummies to try the next one? Try the chocolate.
Yeah.
So this is the chocolate one.
Eat it.
You have a taste. Now, does it taste chocolatey? That's the big question. Is it chocolatey?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, it's my turn. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Oh, look how soft and moist it is. Okay. Oh, it's nice. Look at that. It feels really good too.
Like
Mmm. That's my favourite. Which do you prefer? Chocolate or berry?
it?
Berry. I like the chocolate. Berry one was lovely. Now, I don't think we're going to have room in our tummies to try the apricot right now. So we will come back in a little while and we will try that one and tell you what we think. Little Button's decided that she does want to taste the apricot bar. So here she is having a go. What do you think of it?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
Because I have apricot in it.
Because of the apricots inside?
Yeah.
Can you really taste them?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there we have it. The Geo bars all passed the taste test. We give it big thumbs up. Thumbs up from both of us. Thumbs up. Yay.